So today's unboxing is gonna be this Tackform mounting system. So yeah, like I said in my last video, I'm gonna start riding. So I want to actually have something to actually put my phone in instead of having it in my pocket. So just in case if somebody calls me or there's an emergency, I can actually see it. And I mean, I might not be able to answer it right then and there, but I can go right ahead and find a safe spot to stop, and then go right ahead and give them a call back. So this is basically the front of the box. It looks like it does rotate 180 degrees. Let me see if I can get this a little bit closer. Focus. There we go. And it does do a 360, and it does look like it has a sling to it. So there we go. So this is the front of the box. So here's the side of it. So we have one hand, that's it. Industrial steel spring or springs. The heavy-duty spring-loaded cradle allows you to place or remove your phone with a single hand. Any optional rubber sling is included for extreme riding conditions. All metal construction. Tackform believes quality products should last a lifetime. It's all metal construction, provided safety and security you can count on. So there we go. So it's devices up to 3.4 inches wide. So there we go. So that's the side of it. So what's in the box? So we get a sling, a clamp, a coupler, a cradle, wrench, screws, and bushings. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Where do I open this up? Oh, there we go. Okay, so let's see what we got. Of course, let's see what we have here. We have some documentation right here. So some contact info. 3 amp, looks like some clear adhesive. So we have the sling here. Plastic construction. There it is. And it looks like we have some instructions here. Basically how to set it up. There you go. Okay. Let's see what we have in here. So what's in this bag? Looks like we have the screws, the wrench, and what was it? And the bushings. And it looks like we have might have the clamp here, but I'm not sure. And here it is. So here is the cradle, the coupler, and yeah, one of the clamps is in there. Now the quality, it is as advertised. This is steel. This isn't plastic. This is steel, all of it. It is, well, I mean, I shouldn't say all of it except for this right here. This is clearly plastic, but everything else is steel. Absolutely. Here, let me get something so I can prove it. So yeah, it's not plastic whatsoever. So let's see. Not bad. Let's see. Let me get my other phone. Okay, so I have my iPhone 7 right here. So let's just go ahead and try this out. So yeah, there it is. Not bad, and not going anywhere. That's for sure. So not bad. I'm gonna go right ahead and install this on my motorcycle, and I'll for sure make a review of this because this is really promising. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to install this sling right here. So the first thing you do is, of course, you go ahead and let this loose. Of course, this starts opening right here. So here we go. Oops. There you go. All right, don't go anywhere. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll get the sling, go ahead and slide it into this opening. And what you'll do is you'll just basically put this back in here. There you go. Tighten this back up, like so. Sorry. There you go. Once it's installed, you can go right ahead and grab your phone, slide it in, put these in the bottom. Oops. Put these up top. Come on. There we go. So there you go. So there's the slings right there. So yeah, this puppy ain't going anywhere. So yeah, there we go. So well, everybody, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and like always, we'll catch you on the next one.